In Kladana, you can keep a record of goods in one or multiple warehouses. For that, you need to create product cards and add inventory stock. Let's start with product card. For that, open Products and Services tab in Inventory section. Click on plus product. Fill in the name of the product. Add the image of the product. Choose unit of measurements. Choose the tax rate for this product and generate the barcode. After that, click on Save to create the product card. After you have added product cards, you can organize them in groups. In Products and Services tab, press plus Folder tab, enter the folder name and click on Save. Now let's add inventory stock. It can be done in three ways. First, import. Second, stock adjustment in Kladana interface. And the last one, by purchase receiving. We shall try all of them. Let's start with import. Import is used when you want to create product cards and add stock in one step. And you have prepared the Excel file with necessary product details. To import products and add initial stock for them, go to Inventory, Product and Services. Then go to Import option and click on Import from File. To prepare a file for import, download sample file and see how it is organized. Please be aware that names of columns in the real import file should coincide with the names in example file. Upload prepared file with product details from your computer. Then check all the columns and see which columns do you need to upload. Column stock is necessary, and if you want to upload not only product cards but also initial stock for them. If you want just to create product cards and not create stock for them, choose do not upload for the stock column. After this, choose for which warehouse stock should be added and press start import and wait when import task will be finished. After import is finished, new folder with items is also created and stock adjustment for quantity mentioned in the stock column is created as well. We finished with import of products and initial stock by Excel import. Now let's add stock using stock adjustment transaction. To create stock adjustment, open inventory section, stock adjustment and click on plus stock adjustment tab. Choose the warehouse details. Select the items. Click on select. Cost of stock is calculated on the basis of these prices. Click on save. Now let's see how to add stock using receiving. To record a receiving, go to Purchase section, Receivings, and click on plus Receiving tab. Choose the warehouse, the supplier if it's created earlier. Choose the items. Click on select. Save receiving. Now your purchase stock is recorded and you can see it in stock report. That's all. Some useful links you can find in the description below.